Good morning everyone. My topic is clothes and season. We all wear clothes to look good and clothes protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Raincoat, umbrella and caboose protect us in rainy season. Thank you. Have a nice day. My topic is water. We can live without water. Water has many uses. Rain is the many source of water. We should store water in clean My topic is food habit. Get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth every day. Thank you. Have a nice day. My topic is clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. We use raincoat, umbrella in rainy season. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. My topic is food. Food gives us energy. Food helps to live. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning everyone. My topic is clothes. Why do we clothes? We wear in summer season. We wear clothes in summer season. Thank you. My topic is clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and wind. Woolen clothes in winter season. Happy morning everyone. My topic is water. We need water to live life and grow. Rain is the main sources for water. Turn off tap. We brush our teeth. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning everyone. My topic is water. Water gives we not without water. Water is precious. My topic is air. Air is everywhere where we live. We need air to live. We need air to breathe. Air has many useful gases in it. We cannot see and touch air. We need air to fly high. Clean air, good for our health. Thank you. Have a nice day. My topic is water. Water is the one of the major need to live. All human beings, plants and animals need water to live and grow. Water has many uses like drinking, cooking, bathing and many more. Rain is the main source of water. We should drink clean water. Water is precious. We should never waste water. Thank you. My name is Yuvraj. My topic is house clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold, dust and insect bite. Clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold, dust and insect bite. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. We wear raincoat in rainy season. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. Today I'll tell you about food. Food gives energy. Two types of food. One is a healthy food. One
What's your topic? Your topic name? Yes, speak up.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Ishka. My topic is good habits. Get up early in the morning, brush your teeth properly, bath daily, exercise daily, wash your hands properly, eat fresh fruit, don't waste water, don't waste food. Thank you all. Nice day. My topic is season. There are five seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring, and rainy. Thank you. Have a nice day. My topic is water. We need water to live and grow. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing. Animals and plants need water to live and grow. Rain is main source of water. We should store water in tank and drums. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning, everyone. My topic is sweet home. My house is sweet home. My house neat and clean. It gives me peace and comfort. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning, everyone. My topic is air. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air and thank you. Have a nice day. Good habits. Morning, fresh food. Is clothes. Clothes makes us look smart. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Rain coat and umbrella keep us dry on a rainy day. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My topic is food. We need food to live and grow. Food gives us energy. We have 3 meals in our day: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Foods like milk, eggs help us to grow. Junk food is not for health. We must chew food properly. We must drink lots of water. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning, everyone. My topic is season. There are 5 seasons: summer season, winter season, autumn season, rainy season, winter season. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning, everyone. My topic is water. Water gives us energy and grow, live and thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning, everyone. My topic is good habits. Get up early in the morning, brush your teeth twice a day,